What's up, everyone? This is going to be a quick update on the crypto markets and some big crypto news. We do have a Dogecoin pump today. Pretty much everything in the markets recovered a few percent. Some cryptos up around 10% and more. We actually had a crazy glitch on CoinMarketCap as well that showed everyone being billionaires or trillionaires. So we're going to talk about this and jump into some NFT stuff as well. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified for regular crypto videos. Alright everyone, so before we jump into this video, I quickly want to let you guys know I am doing a big Yakuza cat giveaway over on my Twitter account. This is a really rare one. Only about 24 hours left to enter, so I do recommend entering in that. Very simple. And this combined value is around $12,000 USD. They're also including 7,200 Dama tokens, which is the token used to mint the second generation NFT that will be used for their future game. So really like this set and everything they're doing. I really like the art and the team behind this. Their website's really good. They have staking set up already and a token. So definitely a project you should have on your radar as well. If you guys want a chance at this, the blue laser eyes is actually 1 in 12 rarity. There's only 11 other NFTs from this one that have the blue laser eyes. The crown is 1 in 20, and the gold top is also 1 in 10. So this is a pretty rare one. I'm probably never going to do a giveaway for Yakuza cat that's this rare ever again. So definitely recommend hopping on that. So besides that, I will be doing a lot of giveaways over on my Twitter account for end of year, for the holidays. I do recommend following me there. I will be doing some JRNY NFT giveaways and some giveaways of other NFTs and other cryptocurrencies also. Besides that, we had some crazy glitch on CoinMarketCap today. As you guys can see, all the cryptocurrencies had crazy prices with crazy 24-hour gains. If we check out CoinMarketCap, we can actually see huge red jump here on all of these cryptos because they have corrected it. So crazy prices it was showing in people's portfolio apps. It was showing they were billionaires and even trillionaires in some cases. With the glitch that did happen. So CoinMarketCap fixed the glitch pretty quickly. Didn't really last that long, but it was fun while it lasted. As you guys can see, everything is up a few percent here. Bitcoin up 4%, Solana up nearly 5%, ADA up 3.75%. Dogecoin is actually up the most out of the top 50 though, 20%, and that's because Elon Musk did announce that Tesla will be accepting Dogecoin as payment for Tesla merchandise. Still no word from Tesla though on when they'll be accepting Bitcoin as payment again for Tesla cars, and they still haven't said anything about other cryptos they would be accepting. When they did state they wouldn't be accepting Bitcoin as payment anymore, they did hint that they would be accepting Ethereum and some other cryptocurrencies, most likely Dogecoin and a couple of other cryptos in the top 50. So hopefully they do make an announcement on that at some point in the next couple months. I do think that will be coming. But as we can see the tweet here that did announce this, Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge and see how it goes. So even with this good news, Dogecoin is still struggling to break 20 cents. It was doing much better back in May when the markets were peaking. Of course, this news is spreading all over the internet as well. On CNBC here, Elon Musk says Dogecoin is better to buy things with than Bitcoin. So Elon Musk is talking about Dogecoin again, but regardless, he doesn't have as much of an effect on the price as he used to. Which I think is a good thing in general. So we have another FUD article today spreading fear on Bitcoin from Bank of England, warning that Bitcoin could become worthless. So this is nothing new to see in the crypto space. We're going to continue seeing stuff like this, especially when the market is in a dip. That's when you see this type of stuff the most. And it does add to the panic, and it does cause a lot of new retail investors to panic sell. So be very careful of this type of stuff. It doesn't have nearly as much of an effect on the market as it used to. And we've been seeing this type of stuff since the inception of Bitcoin. So we have an article from Yahoo Finance today, why hedge funds are warming up to crypto. So we now have Bitcoin future ETFs, and we're soon to have Bitcoin spot ETFs, and hedge funds are just getting more involved in general as demand for cryptocurrencies pick up. So you're not going to see a full-scale adoption, but most asset managers are having conversations at least to determine if they want to play in the space and what they want to do, because the market is rife with opportunities for people that want to be early movers in certain digital assets. So the demand is here, and the demand is growing as all of these companies and institutions get involved in cryptocurrencies. And as demand picks up, we're only going to see more and more hedge funds getting involved in institutions. So that's definitely a great thing as well as we move towards true mass adoption. So the company Block, formerly known as Square, will allow users to gift Bitcoin for the holidays using Cash App. This is pretty awesome. Definitely a great idea if you do want to get friends or family involved in the crypto space and you want to gift them their first small amount of Bitcoin. Cash App does make this possible and very simple to do. So it's as easy as sending cash, and you don't need to own stock or Bitcoin to gift it, said Cash App, allowing transfers as low as $1. So that's pretty awesome. Definitely something to consider here if you are considering gifts for friends and family and you do want to get them involved in the crypto space. So the price of ADA hasn't been doing too great, as you guys know. Since the launch of smart contracts, when ADA peaked over $3, pretty much has been on a steady decline. We do have an article here stating a 30% rally could be on the horizon. Cardano ADA's price eyes a 30% rally with a potential triple bottom setup. So we are entering this accumulation phase once again, which has held quite well since the bull market started picking up. So definitely a good accumulation area here. I'm going to be buying some ADA in this zone, but we also have this potential 30% rally, especially since we have Cardano dexes on the horizon like Sunday Swap getting prepared to launch. That's really going to depend on how many projects actually use the Cardano blockchain though, and how many projects convert from the Ethereum blockchain. If we do get a lot of demand in Q1, then we could definitely be seeing a massive recovery for ADA. But like I said, it's really completely dependent on the rate of adoption with this. So we do have a couple updates on the NFT space, which I think are interesting. Coinbase Wallet rolls out support for NFTs. So as NFTs become more accessible, there is going to be more people getting involved in the space. The NFT space is still extremely small. Last I heard, there is only around 500,000 wallets that actually hold NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. That is extremely small when you think about that. Imagine where NFTs will be once we have a couple million wallets holding NFTs. So at the same time, we do have a lot of garbage coming out, a lot of cash grabs, projects that just don't know what they're doing, don't know how to build utility. They're not integrated into the space. They're just jumping in and doing an NFT sale because they want to make money. So that is very important as well. When you are looking into NFTs, make sure the team behind it is integrated into the space and has been in the space for quite a while, because that's really going to matter. And it's very important that they're able to pivot to what's relevant in the NFT space at the time. As you guys know, there's lots of different trends every couple of months. So another thing I want to talk about is the fact that centralized exchanges are starting to support NFTs like FTX, which means you will send your NFT to your wallet on the exchange. It is centralized though, so you have to keep that in mind. Not your keys, not your crypto, and not your NFTs. But this will remove the gas fees for trading since it will be on the centralized exchange. So that will be very interesting. The more accessibility we have for NFTs, the better as well. So it is good seeing support being added. Coinbase platform did mention that NFTs could become bigger on their platform than crypto itself. So Mintable app to support minting NFTs on layer 2 Immutable X protocol. That's also great. So Immutable X is a solution for NFTs where they don't have gas fees, but the platform needs a lot of work at this point. And that's why people continue using OpenSea and paying these high gas fees on the Ethereum network. So more massive news for the NFT space. Nike enters the metaverse game following Artifact acquisition. So they did acquire this company. I'm not sure exactly how much they acquired them for, but the NFTs in the Artifact ecosystem have all surged. The newest one, Artifact Clone X, as we could see, these were just 3 Ethereum the other day, last I checked. And now they have a 12.5 Ethereum price floor. The volume on this has been surging since this announcement, as you guys can see, around 500 sales a day. And the floor has pretty much done a 4x in just a couple days with this announcement. Of course, that is expected. I do expect more major companies to get involved in the metaverse and NFTs and cryptocurrency as we move forward as well. So very interesting. Definitely a huge step towards mass adoption for the NFT space in general. But personally, I'm not going to be buying anything that's at a peak price like this. So that's it for today's crypto and NFT update. I hope you guys found it useful. I will be doing some giveaways over on my Twitter account and in the JRNY Club Discord. So I do recommend getting signed up there. If you do want to participate, I will be dropping art previews to my upcoming NFT set in the Discord also in the upcoming couple days. So if you guys do want to see an early sneak peek of that, make sure you're in the Discord. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.